Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today in second chapter we will complete our exercise 2.5. In the next part we have simplify and solve the following linear equations. The seventh question is 3t minus 3 equals to 5, 2t plus 1. So here first we will open the bracket on the both side. We will multiply the number outside the bracket with all the terms inside the bracket individually. So we have 3 into t, that is 3t, minus 3 into 3 9 equals to 5 into 2 10t and 5 into 1 plus 5. Now we will shift all the variables to the left hand side and numbers to the right hand side. We get 3t minus 10t equals to 5 plus 9. 3t minus 10t equals to 7 minus 7t equals to 14. Now this 7 will go to the right hand side. So here it is multiplying. Going to the right hand side it will divide. So we will write t equals to minus 14 by 7. On cancelling 7 and 14 we get t equals to minus 2. Now next question is 15y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. So here again first we will open all the three brackets. We get 15 into y, 15y minus 60 minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2 into minus 9 plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 equals to 0. Now I am writing all the variables and numbers separately. We get 15y minus 2y plus 5y minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. So now we will solve these variables together and these numbers together. So we have 15 minus 2 is 13y, 13 plus 5 is 18y, minus this 18 plus 30 gives us 48 and minus 60 plus 48 is minus 12 equals to 0. So we have y equals to 12 by 18. On cancelling by 6 we get y equals to 2 by 3. Question number 9 we have 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Again first we will open all the brackets on the both side. We get 3 into 5 that is 15z minus 3 into 7 21 minus 2 into 9 18z. This minus and minus will become plus 22 equals to 4 into 8 32z minus 4 into 13 52 minus 17. So we have my 15z minus 18z gives us minus 3z plus 22 minus 21 gives us plus 1 equals to 32z. 52 minus 17 become minus 69. Now we will shift this 32z to the left hand side. We get minus 3z minus 32z equals to minus 69 minus 1. On solving it, minus 35z equals to minus 70. We get z equals to minus 70 by minus 35. This minus and minus will cancel out and we will divide 70 by 35. So we have z equals to 2. Now moving to the last question. 0.2 25 into 4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Again, first we will open the brackets. We get 0.25 into 4, that is 1.00f, minus 0.75 equals to 0.50f minus 0.45. Shifting all the variables to the left hand side, we get f minus 0.50f equals to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Now when we subtract these two numbers, we have 0.50f equals to 0.30, will give us f equals to 0.30 divided by 0.50. Or we can directly cancel this decimal sign, because we have two numbers after decimal in the numerator and two numbers in the denominator also. So directly we can cancel the decimal sign. We get 30 by 50. Again we can cancel the 0 and 0. We get 3 by 5. This is the answer. Or we can convert it into decimal. So our answer will become 0.6. Now children, this is the question for you to solve yourself. Now try all of these questions yourself and ask me if you have any doubt. Thank you and happy learning.